Forget those old, slow coding ways. Anthropic's new Claude code extension is a total game changer for VS Code. This isn't just some basic update. It's native IDE integration, bringing AI-powered coding right into your workspace. You get plan mode for smart reviews, auto-accept edits for speed, and seamless file management, making your dev life way smoother. If you're a developer using Gemini CLI, you need to hear this. Google just dropped some wild version 0.9.0 nightly updates. They've seriously leveled up telemetry, GitHub integration, and made IDE debugging way less of a headache for us. Plus, smart editing now has regex. And a new declarative agent framework means building custom AI agents just got a whole lot easier, no cap. If you thought Nvidia and AMD had the AI chip market locked down, think again. Microsoft's dropping its own custom silicon. Their new Azure Maya AI accelerator and Cobalt CPU will power Microsoft's data centers, cutting reliance on external suppliers like Nvidia and AMD. CTO Kevin Scott confirmed this move is about optimizing infrastructure, diversifying supply, and meeting the insane demand for AI compute. This ain't no game. AI just absolutely dominated the world's toughest coding competition, leaving human champs in the dust. OpenAI's models, including GPT-5 and an experimental one, scored a flawless 12 out of 12, while Google DeepMind's Gemini achieved gold medal performance. This marks a massive leap in AI's reasoning and coding capabilities, showing machines can now surpass the best human programmers. If you're doing YouTube collabs, you're probably losing money without even knowing it. TubeBuddy data shows 60% of creators botch collabs, getting less than 1% conversion, wasting time and cash. But YouTube's new collab feature and multi-channel strategy can actually 10x your growth if you play it smart. Before you jump on Google's new Gemini AI smart home hype, you need to know the real deal about their rollout and what it'll cost you. They're dropping new Nest cams, a doorbell, and a dedicated Gemini speaker by spring 2026, all packed with advanced AI for smarter alerts and descriptions. But here's the kicker. While Gemini hits older devices too, premium features like Live Mode need a subscription, making it Google's big play against Alexa and Siri. This new AI tech just slashed long context processing costs by 50%, without losing any performance. DeepSeek's v3.2 Express uses sparse attention to pick out key info, making large language models way cheaper to run. This ain't just talk, it's open source, making advanced AI more accessible and affordable for everyone. No more excuses for sky-high API fees. Imagine if customizing cutting-edge AI models became as easy as a few lines of code. Well, it just did. This cloud-based service, Tinker, automates custom AI model creation, slashing the technical barrier for everyone. It's a total game changer, making powerful frontier AI accessible so more smart people can push the limits. Hold up, tech heads. Zhipu just unleashed GLM 4.6, and this beast is flexing serious code muscles, leaving others in the dust. It's 27% better than its predecessor, GLM 4.5, and its coding chops are now on par with Claude Sonnet 4, making it the top dog domestically. With a 200K context window and 30% less token consumption, this model is a powerhouse, even running smoothly on domestic chips like Cambricon and more threads. Perplexity A, I just pulled a power move, acquiring Visual Electric to directly challenge OpenAI's Sora and Google in the visual AI game. This ain't just some small-time deal. It's about boosting Perplexity's visual AI capabilities and integrating Visual Electric's team to create new consumer experiences. Visual Electric's standalone service is shutting down in 90 days, but this acquisition means Perplexity is serious about throwing down in the generative AI arena. Forget everything you thought about AI video costs, because YouTube just dropped a bombshell. Google's VO3 Fast is now free on Shorts, letting you whip up 8-second AI-generated videos with sound, no sweat. Plus, there are 6 other ways to snag VO3 for free, and even dope alternatives like Haluo AI if you're looking for more. Think Google's been sleeping on AI? Nah, they're just getting started, embedding Gemini deep into everything you touch. From your Chrome browser and search results to your Google Drive apps on Android and iOS, this AI is getting integrated everywhere. It's a full frontal assault to boost productivity, make collaboration smoother, and finally go head-to-head with ChatGPT, whether you're ready or not.